Let me show you the setup on my awning.
Okay, there are two parts to this video. One is the setup. This is going to run till about the 4-minute 30-second time. So if you want to watch this, you can watch that. If you want to skip ahead to the other part, then go ahead. The other part's going to be about how we got 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts and how this actually held out. What the video doesn't show is once the wind started gusting, I actually did stake the awning down a little bit more than it will take up to 20 miles an hour without, putting the lines out and staking it down. It's a really nice awning. I've been super pleased with this awning, but yeah. Anyway, enjoy the video. Okay, here's where the awning is just taking a beating. You can see where it's pulling the poles, actually pulling the poles up, and the awning is holding up just great. That aluminum in there. I had an awning that just rolled out before, and in this wind, it would have flew right over the van. No way that thing would have held up. This thing took us all night, like I said, gusts up to like 50 miles an hour. I just end up, instead of trying to fight the wind and putting it back up when I went to bed, I left it out all night long, and the winds kept up, and this thing held up like a champ. What a great awning. Overland Vehicle Systems. Great product. Super stoked. Also in here you can see kind of how where I put the guide wires. So I did have the guidelines going out. That does help with the winds, and having the poles out. Typically, if it's not very much wind, I just put the poles out and don't stake it down at all. Thanks, guys.